Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The work of the village medicine man, and modern doctors. In most urban and suburban areas throughout the world, sick people are taken to a doctor's office or to a hospital for treatment. But among tribal and village people in many countries, patients are taken instead to a local medicine man. This medicine man is a combination of a doctor, priest and psychologist. Some of his folk methods are similar to those of an urban doctor, but most are very much different. The difference in method is a result of the fact that disease to the modern scientific mind is viewed as something natural. It is caused by virus, bacteria, and other small things that we can see without a microscope. By contrast, in much of the world, disease is considered to be something supernatural. In other words, sickness is not caused by something psychical, but instead in the result of deep anger, broken religious law, the hatred of enemies, and so on. An urban physician knows how to treat a specific disease. A medicine man, however, treats the whole person and often the patient's family and friends as well. Prevention of disease. Of course, there may be no need for treatment if people know how to take care of themselves to prevent sickness. A modern physician might tell his patient that to eat, how much to exercise, when and how to relax, and the like. A medicine man, on the other hand, tells his patient to wear amulet's special necklace for protection against and bad spirits. Nevertheless, in both village and urban societies, people do become ill and sometimes need medical help. The diagnosis. The first step in any treatment, of course, is the diagnosis. The doctor or the medicine man has to find out why the patient is ill and decide what to do about it. For the diagnosis, both ask about symptoms. Is the patient complaining about headaches, stomach aches, insomnia, skin rash? But the similarity in method ends there. The doctor's next step is to give blood tests, take X-ray, etc. While the medicine man involves supernatural method, he might ask the patient about his dream, use astrology to find the cause of the problem in the star, or go into a trance, or a condition of deep concentration in which he doesn't function normal, in an effort to contact spirit or other beings outside the world. The cure. After the diagnosis comes the cure. In modern medicine, the solution usually means one or more of the following the same method that are used for prevention: healthful food, rest, exercise, perhaps warm baths or massage, drug, or surgery. Likewise, folk medicine includes some of the same cures. As in the diagnosis, however, a medicine man also uses a wide variety of supernatural methods in his cures. Two of the most common are exorcism and soul hunt. Exorcism is based on the belief that disease is caused by bad spirit. Thus, in an exorcism ceremony, the medicine man performs a number of traditional activities to take the evil beings out of the victim body. Songs, dance, and religion prayers are part of any exorcism, and soul hunt include them as well. In this ceremony, the medicine men try to persuade the victim's soul, which are believed to have led their bodies to return. A typical tribal ceremony. The Endebu people of Central Africa believe that illness is often the result of the anger of a relative friend or enemy. This emotion, they say, cause a thought to enter the body of the person who is the target of the anger and to create disease. When the medicine man sees which body part contains the evil thought, he calls together the victim's relative and friend to watch a ceremony, at the end of the which he removes it from the patient's throat, arm, leg, stomach, etc. Although the patient and the villagers know what has happened, that the thought has been hidden inside the medicine man's mouth the whole time, the patient is often cured. The Endebu ceremony is a typical of treatment around the world, in which stone, insect, or small spear are taken out of sick people. Despite scientific evidence that disproves the effectiveness of such a method, The fact remains that the treatments are often successful, and many villagers prefer to be cured in this way than by a modern physician. The success of medicine men. Scientists ask how medicine men can actually be successful in their treatment and why they are so popular. The answer probably lie in a combination of the following reasons. First, supernatural ceremonies are symbolic, and the people who participate in them believe deeply in the symbols. Even Western physicians agree that patients with deep faith believe in God, their doctor, the drugs they take, images or symbols will regain their health faster than patients with little hope. Second, ceremony may be effective because people come together for a common goal. Patients see how many people in their communities care about the cure. In addition, this communal meeting provide social acceptable opportunity for the people of the village to express what they feel. Social and psychological problem can be solved along with the physical ones of the sick person. Fourth, scientists theorize that the trance part of the ceremony produce certain chemical in the body, which then work to help cure the disease. Finally, many of the medicine man natural drugs, which come from a nearby forest, jungle, or desert, have been found to be medically effective. Scientists are fascinated by what they learn from the method of tribal medicine man. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.